Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered how sea stars are able to move without any bones and without a brain? Well, today you're going to learn all about it. Hi, my name is Hope, I'm a marine biologist, and on this channel you can learn all about the marine environment. Let's dive in. Sea stars move using a hydraulic system known as the water vascular system. Essentially, they contract muscles that force water through their bodies, allowing them to move in any direction they want without turning around. Here's how it works. When you look closely at the top of a sea star, you will see a tiny little circle that has a different texture from the rest of its body. This is called the madreporite. It's a sieve-like structure that allows seawater to enter a network of canals inside the sea star. Each arm of the sea star has its own canal through which water can flow. And attached to those canals are tiny little tubes. These are sea star feet. You can see their feet from the outside if you look underneath the sea star. Okay, how cute are those feet? There's a muscle that connects the 2 feet to the water canal in each arm. This muscle is called the ampullae. I like to think of the ampullae as the plastic part of a water balloon. When this muscle is relaxed, it is filled with water. When this muscle contracts, it forces water into the tube foot, causing the tube foot to extend. When this muscle relaxes, it fills back up with water and causes the tube foot to retract. This muscle contraction and water movement is happening in each individual foot. There can be hundreds of feet on each arm of a sea star, so sea stars can be quite fast when all of their feet are working together. This allows them to actively hunt prey like clams, mussels, snails, and crustaceans. In order to attach themselves to surfaces, sea stars need to use their feet to grip. They do this using a specialized pad at the end of each foot. There's a common myth that sea stars use these specialized pads like a suction cup, but actually, these pads produce adhesive secretions like a glue. As they move, they are gluing and ungluing each individual foot. These adhesives are really strong and allow sea stars to hold onto rocks during changing tides and pry open the shells of mollusks. The water vascular system is actually not unique to sea stars. It's a characteristic of the invertebrate phylum Echinodermata, which contains brittle stars, sea urchins, sea cucumbers, sand dollars, and crinoids. Most of these animals also have tube feet, but they've evolved to function differently in each group. Echinoderms are one of my favorite animal groups, so if you'd like to learn more, let me know. I hope that this video helped you understand sea star locomotion just a little bit more. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.